Hey, adrenaline junkies, welcome to KM Top Crazy, where the thrill never stops. Brace yourself for heart-pounding chases, jaw-dropping action, and the most electrifying moments ever caught on camera. If you crave the ultimate rush, you're in the right place. Let's get that heart racing. Looks like they were playing a game of Ring Around the Rosie. In this video, we get a first-hand look at how Vietnamese police chase down criminals on the streets. Since motorcycles are the primary mode of transportation in Vietnam, officers often rely on them for high-speed pursuits. Most suspects fleeing on bikes try to weave through narrow alleys to escape, unless the police can keep up. But it looks like this guy wasn't exactly a pro rider. The moment he tried to make a right turn, he lost control and went down. That was all the opportunity the officers needed. They rushed in and took him down in seconds. Five suspects tried to flee the scene, but they were quickly captured. As for the owner of that blue bike, well, they're in for a rough morning.
Get over, seriously. Get over right now, hurry. No, get over. No, watch out. No way, dude. Here, watch out. Heck yeah.
Looks like this is the first time that driver has witnessed the police take down a fleeing suspect. Let this be a lesson. Never end up on the wrong side of a chase. If he swims far enough, maybe the cops will just forget about him. A wild security camera clip captures the moment a stolen excavator smashes through the doors of a shop, making off with two bikes. Police later caught up with the suspect as he was attempting to load the stolen vehicles onto a truck, and that's when an unbelievable chase began.
Okay, he's run over the bikes. Everybody stay well clear of this tractor. Okay, he's dropped the bucket. Turning right onto Tudor. No, he's straightened up. No, he's straight. Stand by, he's on two wheels. Okay, he's driving onto the railway line. He's just broken the gates. He's going to be hitting the railway lines.
Despite the slow speed, officers had to be cautious. Intervening too soon could be dangerous with a massive excavator in play. In the end, the suspect finally gave up and surrendered. And here's what the shop looked like after the chaos. No word yet on what motivated this bizarre crime. Compared to most suspects, this guy either has professional racing experience or has run from the cops before. On a narrow road, he maintained incredible speed, skillfully dodging other vehicles like a seasoned pro. If it weren't for the helicopter camera tracking him, the officers on the ground might have completely lost him. Unbelievable. Even while surrounded, he managed to slip past every police car like it was straight out of an action movie. But in the end, the chase came to a stop and he was taken into custody. I'm pretty sure running would be faster than pedaling at this point. This car dangerously tried to overtake on the right, and the consequences came instantly for the driver.
He missed. Oh!
I can't believe what I just saw. The car nearly flew off the road. According to the latest updates, multiple people were injured in this incident.
I hope he's alright. Hey, punching his ass. I told you that.
This guy escaped from the police in the most unbelievable way. Was the runaway car just that tough, or was the house already falling apart? On May 28, 2021, St. Louis Metropolitan Police attempted to pull over 32-year-old Darn Ricks on Pennsylvania Avenue in connection with an armed robbery investigation.
We're at Pennsylvania now. Tell him the car. He's open door.
The moment he stepped out of the car, Ricks opened fire on officers, forcing them to return fire. After a brief foot chase, police caught up with Ricks in a nearby alley and took him into custody.
2-1, he's running! East, through the yards here! I got it! Get on the ground right now! 2-1, I got him in custody.
DMS, 2 cars up there and get 100.
One officer was transported to the hospital with a grazing wound just above his right eye. Kyle Williamson, 33, led police on a high-speed chase in a stolen vehicle. In a desperate move, he deliberately crashed the car into a storefront, setting himself up in a defensible position against the officers.
Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Hands up! 305 out.
Armed and dangerous, Williamson engaged in a shootout with police. But as soon as he ran out of ammo, it was game over. Officers moved in and took him into custody. He suffered only minor injuries. The Portland Police Department and the Sumner County Sheriff's Office have released dash camera video showing a dramatic high-speed chase. Officers attempted to stop the stolen vehicle, but the driver refused to surrender.
12th Street. We're running down the church going northbound.
Eventually, 20-year-old Dontavius Smith was taken into custody. A DeKalb County native and former NFL player was taken into custody after leading police on a high-speed chase following an alleged robbery at a mobile phone store. On March 20th, 2024, the Albuquerque Police Department's Mounted Patrol Unit was carrying out an operation near Central and Coors when they were alerted by a nearby Walgreens about a shoplifting incident.
Stop! Get on the ground! You're being detained! Get out of the road! Get out of the road!
The suspect, Mark Chacon, had no intention of cooperating and took off on foot. Maybe he thought he could outrun the horses, but he was dead wrong. Dashcam footage released by the Florence County Sheriff's Office captures the moment a woman tried to flee from police. What started as a simple traffic violation quickly escalated into a dangerous high-speed chase. During the pursuit, her SUV slammed into a police vehicle before rolling multiple times, violently ejecting her from the car. Miraculously, she escaped without serious injuries. Now she's sitting behind bars at the Florence County Detention Center with bail set at $3,650.50. On February 10th, 2025, Brookhaven police responded to reports of a man pulling on car door handles at an apartment complex. As officers searched the area, they spotted the suspect, but the moment he saw them, he took off running. Body cam footage captures the dramatic moment an officer deployed a taser, bringing the suspect to an immediate halt. His identity has not yet been released by police.
It's not a grenade, anything like that?
Yeah, there's a gun.
What?
A gun. Single shot.
Where?
In my back pocket.
Man, you ready? You should be putting those 10 out.
On January 31st, 2025, Southfield police received a 911 call from a man claiming he had just been carjacked outside his home. The victim was sitting in the driver's seat of his car in the driveway on the 21,000 block of Negaunee when a man in a hoodie approached and demanded his vehicle. Shortly after taking the car, the suspect abandoned it and took off on foot carrying a gun. But here's the twist. The gun wasn't loaded. It was just a bluff to scare the police. That plan didn't work for long. Officers quickly caught up with the suspect and arrested him without any trouble.
Okay. Any idea what he's doing?
On March 23rd, officers from the Westside Police Station were dispatched to a dispute at a waste management business. What started as a routine call quickly turned dangerous when a former employee stole an excavator and began driving it wildly around the property. Police attempted to stop the vehicle, but the suspect was determined to take it onto the road. His actions were reckless and completely unpredictable. The chase finally came to an end at the intersection of Singleton Road and Robin Hill Drive, about 5 miles from where it all began. The suspect, 38-year-old Eddie Sanchez, was pulled from the excavator's cabin and taken into custody. Fortunately, no one was injured during the incident. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be part of our channel family. Have a great day and see you later.